Everyone- Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect ManyChat to N8N. So if you head over to your integrations section, you can see we have multiple different integrations available to connect, but we cannot find in here N8N. So by the way, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 1 month of pro plan on ManyChat completely for free to unlock better and best of the features to skyrocket your presence on social media. So make sure you actually do that. Now if we go back to our settings option, let me just select that. You can see settings in the channels. We cannot see N8N as well. So basically currently there is no as such direct option to connect N8N to ManyChat, basically, or ManyChat to N8N. But if you head over to N8N, you might possibly be able to connect them, but there is no option in ManyChat for now. If they do introduce it, I will make a video about it and let you guys know. So if you have any information regarding this, or I missed any point, you can let us know in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching, and to get 1 month for free, you can head over to the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.